What's up, fellow polymaths? In this video, we're going to be making a FizzBuzz program. FizzBuzz is a problem that's commonly asked in programming interviews. Basically, the interview is testing your ability if you know the fundamentals of programming. So what we're going to do is write a program that'll do FizzBuzz. So what FizzBuzz is that based on a set number, usually 100, if we get a number that's divisible by 3, then we output to the console fizz. And if we get a number that's divisible by 5, we output to the console buzz. But if we get a number that's divisible by 15, then we output to the console FizzBuzz. That's what we're going to be doing in this video. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating an integer that's going to be our FizzBuzz limit. So we'll just make this 100. And then after that, we're going to create a for loop. It could also be a while loop as well. We're going to initialize at 1. And we're going to increment all the way up to 100, or whatever our FizzBuzz variable is, which is 100. Then after that, we're going to have some if statements. Here, the first thing we want to check if I is divisible by 15, because if we first check if I is divisible by 3 in the for loop, then that's the first thing it's going to check. And even if it's divisible by 15, it's going to skip that. So we want to check if it's divisible by 15 first. So it's I minus 15 is equal to 0. So then we want to output FizzBuzz. Else if I is equal to 5. And the order of 3 or 5 doesn't matter. So then we output buzz if I is divisible by 5. Else if I is divisible by 3, then we output fizz. And let's just output the remaining numbers. So I. Alright, so let's run this right now and see what we get. Alright, so we got our output. Let's scroll all the way to the top. Alright, so we got our first 1 and 2, which we know are divisible by 3, 5, or 15. Then we get fizz, which is divisible by 3. Then we get 4, and 5 is divisible by 5, of course, so that's buzz. 6 is divisible by 3, that's fizz. And we keep going, and then we get to 15, which is divisible by 15, of course. And we get FizzBuzz there. Then we keep going, we see that we have FizzBuzz. Then when we get to 30, we get FizzBuzz, which is divisible by 15. And then 33 is divisible by 3, so we get fizz, and so on. So all this goes all the way up to 100. Well, that's pretty much how you make a FizzBuzz program. You can use a while loop as well. As long as you have the programming fundamentals down, then it's relatively simple. Alright, if you like this video, then please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.